But what if nature could come to where we live? Presenting Halo Falls. Designed by those who love the outdoors, Halo Falls is a way of bringing the healing essence of Mother Nature indoors. It's a one-of-its-kind light and water installation with integrated Bluetooth speakers. It was designed to create an oasis of calm wherever it is kept. In your living room, your workspace, an outdoor area, or even a special inspiration zone to jog your creativity. Halo Falls was created because all other products fell short in some way. The harmony of water, sound, light, and mesmerizing visuals uplift the ambience of any room. Simply add water, plug it into an outlet, and voila, your personal calm zone is ready. Designed for those who love waterfalls and long to find a way to bring this experience indoors without spills and inconvenience. This cascading multi-level waterfall is a visual and audio sensory experience that gives a sense of tranquility. It's powered by a durable, submersible, soundless motor, and the casing has been designed to prevent spillage. With the 2 light modes, changing the mood of your space is easy. In addition, we've used high-quality LEDs so you can adjust the intensity of the light. To round it off, we've built in a high-quality Bluetooth speaker to help you complete the mood. Play ambient sounds, your favorite music, listen to a new audiobook, or listen to the sounds of a nature playlist on Spotify, which we've curated. Halo Falls. Bring the magic of nature indoors.
Heard of Nuki? With Nuki, your smartphone becomes a key and your door lock becomes smart. Control your door with the Nuki app, wherever you happen to be.
Hello, love. Where are you? Oh, I'm totally stuck in traffic, but I'll let you in straight away.
If you don't have any hands-free, the auto unlock function unlocks for you. Like magic. For new people in your life, you can grant access permission with Nuki. Perhaps for a new boyfriend. Or for the dog sitter. Cleaner. For Granny and Grandpa, of course. Smart, eh? Nuki Smart Lock is compatible with standard cylinders. Installation is complete in a few minutes without any screws or drilling. With the bridge, you can control Nuki remotely, so you can reach it from anywhere. Thanks to the many extension options, Nuki offers the perfect solution for every application. For example, there's the Nuki fob, for people who don't have a smartphone or who tend to mislay their keys. And the Nuki keypad. Just enter a 6-digit entry code and you're in. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, Nuki is also the most flexible smart lock when it comes to integration in existing smart home systems. It communicates with all smart speakers. And now, from version 2.0 on, it can interact brilliantly with Apple HomeKit. There are plenty of new developments under the hood too. The faster processor has yielded a roughly 3-fold increase in speed of communication. Bluetooth 5 significantly increases range and improves the auto unlock experience. And regarding flexibility, it's now possible to assign up to 200 access permissions. Also revolutionary is the door sensor. With this, the Nuki Smart Lock reports not only the status of the lock mechanism, but also that of the door. Turn your smartphone into a key? Make your door lock smart. With Nuki, one smart lock for all.
We are excited to introduce Cardlax 2.0. Based on our backers and customer feedback and a deeper understanding of electrical muscle stimulation, we've developed an even thinner, lighter, more powerful device that provides an even better massage experience. EMS utilizes electrical impulses to stimulate and contract muscles to achieve the massaging effect. It helps ease muscle soreness, relieve tension, and help build muscles when strength training. In Cardlax 2.0, we've added a brand new fitness massage mode, Shred. Plus, we have the knock, malaxation, rub, and high-frequency stimulation modes, and combinations of all of them, which equal 7 different modes, each with 10 levels of intensity, to suit your different needs. We've also upgraded the pads and made them out of leather, so they are washable, reusable, cost-efficient, last longer, environmentally friendly, and are more comfortable. And added a second color at the request of our backers. Cardlax 2.0 is now available in black or gray. Just like with the original Cardlax, our goal is to allow people to relax and massage their muscles anytime, anywhere. It's small, portable, reusable, and FDA approved for safety.
Stop when the clock hits 13. You've been working, but you're flirting with the weekend. You can freak out. 1 in a million. You're a gem shine when the light grows dim. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
This is Aaliyah. Aaliyah is a smart vent that lets you control the temperature in every room of your house. Set your room preferences, and Aaliyah will open and close to keep the air temperature exactly how you want it. The companion app lets you change your preferences at any time and even sends you alerts about your system's performance and air quality. Aside from providing comfort, Aaliyah saves energy. This type of room-to-room zoning saves an average of 20% compared to traditional heating and cooling systems. Aaliyah is easy to install. It simply replaces your old vents and works with your smart thermostat. With a variety of sizes, Aaliyah fits with any style. Aaliyah makes your home perfect for you.